Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Ina, and today's video I have yet another wig installed for you guys, and it is from my favorite hair company, BestHairBuy. So this is again the headband wig. It's a grab and go 100% body wave, and it is 20 inches long. In the box you're gonna get your 4 headbands. I got the forest green, mustard yellow, brown, and burgundy. And then you're also going to receive some wig caps along with how to take care of your wig, and then you'll also get a bag to store your wig once you're done wearing it for the day or the week. So this is the wig straight out the packaging. The waves were gorgeous. I literally did not have to style this wig at all because the waves were super wavy. There's really no need to do anything at all unless you want to do a different style, such as straightening it or wearing the wig in a more curlier state, such as spiral curls, wand curls, or even a crimp style. You can always use heat for that, but I'm wearing the wig as is. And as you guys see inside the wig, it has the 4 combs along with the adjustable strap, tangle free, no shedding. Awesome. So I am going to be using the adjustable straps to apply the wig. I don't use the combs because the combs literally give me a headache. So I just use the adjustable straps. And then I have on a regular wig cap on my head, and I just slick down my edges with Eco Styler gel, and then bang, that's it. Go on to applying the wig straight out of the package. No maintenance, no having to curl, no glue, no spray, nothing. So you guys seen this multiple times. All you have to do is just put the wig onto your head, and then you're going to take the strap to secure it. And then what I like to do is, after securing the strap onto the back of my neck, I like to fold the band once. And the reason why I do this is because I don't want for the black part of the band to show once I apply the headband. So I hope that makes sense. But this is how the hair looks. Like I said to you guys, it's super wavy. It's a body wave, and the waves are there for sure. So you don't need to add any type of heat tools or hot tools in order to get any type of style, because this is gorgeous the way that it is. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try the headband on. I'm trying on the burgundy headband first, and there's definitely a much easier way to put the headband, but I just didn't want to get makeup on the headband. So yeah, I did it this awkward way, but you can just literally put it over your face and then pull it up, because then what happened here is that there was a lot of hair that was caught in the headband, but it's fine. I'll get over this awkward stage soon. So yeah, once you put on your headband, like I was mentioning before, the reason why I fold that black headband that's attached to the wig forward is because you want to make sure that it's hidden underneath the headband. So I like to wear the headband over my ear. It looks a lot better, but I am so in love with this hair. It's so easy. Like, this is my everyday wig. These headband wigs are my everyday wigs. I'm actually thankful for all these headband wigs because I have been giving my skin and my edges a break from all the lace glue. Although I do love a frontal, but the headband wigs are definitely what's in now. You can't go wrong with, definitely if you are a busy person and you don't have time to do your hair, or you are a natural transitioning, this is the perfect style. So I did style this wig in a half up, half down style. You can always put this up in a ponytail, whatever floats your boat. I pretty much wore it the way that it is because I kind of felt like it complemented it better. But it's super, super duper gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.